Good morning, my little one. Today, I'll teach you how to make cheese pizza.
Really, Mom? I love cheese more than anything.
Easy there, sweetie. The dough should be soft like clouds.
Like the clouds in the sky?
Exactly. You're doing great. Now comes the best part. Cheese.
Can I add lots and lots of cheese?
Too much, and it won't bake evenly, my little chef.
Mom, why isn't it ready yet?
Because good things take time, my love.
Yummy! I did it, Mom!
I knew you could. Together, we can make anything.